Okay, just a couple more things to know as you're working through the putting together either a rental listing agreement or a sale listing agreement. You've come to the end. You've input all your data. You've clicked here, build document. You've had that screen come up where right around here there was a little PDF link. You've clicked that and it's brought you to your PDF where you can go through and make sure that the paper the paperwork is appearing properly, that the names are where they're supposed to be, and all the data is where it's supposed to be. You can hit save to your computer, and that way you can email it back to me so that I can use it and print it, or if we need to get it to the client, we can do that. Just wanted to show you a couple other things just in case you have some questions on some things. I'm going to minimize my PDF here and walk you through a couple things here at the tail end of the program. What I'd like for you to do pretty quickly after you get done with things is come down here to the bottom and hit Save Data on Server. You probably should actually do that before you build the document. So hit Save Data on Server and it says please enter a file name. Your file name is always, always, always going to be the client's last name and then the property address. So whatever it is that we're working on for them, put that in there. So the client name is capitalized, space, dash, space, and then the house number and the street name. And then if you just hit OK, you'll get a screen that says status, file successfully saved. So you should be all set there. Click OK, and we are saved there. Now, one of the things that I might ask you to do at times is this little set of fields over here has a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, and you can see where you can actually go in there and delete it out if you need to. And what that does is it's only going to print the fields that have a number in it. So if I didn't want to print the contract processing sheet, I could back the 1 out of there, and that I believe then would only print number 2, 3, and 4. I'm kind of more particular than that, and I usually go through and I change the numbers so that that they're printing in order, and that the first one I want starts with the 1. So if you don't want the contract, or you don't want one of the forms that's in your list there's times when we print just an addendum, but all the forms that are part of the file show up. So we have to zero out all the files and just put a 1 next to the addendum or the form that we're trying to print. And there's a capability for you to do that right there. So if I now hit build document again, it's going to build the document, but it's going to build it without the contract processing sheet in it, or whatever ones that I've blanked out there. I hope that makes sense. And again, just wanted to quickly show that to you, and then also remind you always, always, always save data on the server, and it's the client's name in capital letters, and then dash the house number and the street name. Okie doke. Call with questions. I think that pretty well covers it. And as always, I really and truly appreciate everything you do. Thank you so very much.